Welcome back to my channel, guys. Please excuse my voice. I'm currently sick. I just came back from vacation. But as highly requested, here is a curly hair update routine video. So right now, my hair's been straightened for about a week in this video, so I'm just combing it out, detangling it, and getting it prepared to get washed. A lot of you requested to see a video of how I wash my hair from straight to curly. So in this video, you will be seeing that. So to start off, I wash my hair using the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Also Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo. The shampoo is sulfate-free, paraben-free, and it has no mineral oil. It also helps to deep moisturize and detangle your hair, especially if you have chronically dry hair. It's enriched with shea moisture, butter, and olive oil. After I shampoo my hair, I'm going to be deep conditioning. To deep condition, I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioner. It helps to strengthen, grow, and restore your hair. It's enriched with shea butter, peppermint, and keratin. So prior to using this deep conditioner, I colored my hair twice in 1 week. I was trying to color it before I went on vacation, and that caused a little damage to my curls. So with this deep conditioner, it is sulfate free and it's color safe. After using it the first time, I did see an improvement within my curl pattern. It might take a couple more use for me to get my curls back to how it used to be, but so far I love this conditioner. After I left the deep conditioner in my hair for about 15 minutes, I continued to rinse out using the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. This conditioner is sulfate free and also paraben free. It helps to soften, helps restore moisture balance, and eliminates knots and tangles. It's also enriched with the shea butter and olive oil as well. When adding my products to my hair, I like my hair to be a little wet. Not dripping, soaking wet, but just a little wet. Now I'm using the Miss Jessies Jelly Soft Curls. It's like a gel. It leaves your hair really soft, it adds shine, and it's great for washing goes. I've been using this product for probably 3 months, and I've stuck with it. Like, this is my staple product to use right now. Next, I apply my Frizz-free Curls Milkshake. It helps for effortless frizz-free curls, and this is a staple product that I've been using for a while. If you look back at some of my older videos, this product leaves your hair feeling so soft and it smells amazing. off, I'm going to be adding some vitamin E oil to my scalp just because it's winter time and I do tend to get super dry, itchy scalp, which is something that I absolutely hate. With the vitamin E oil, it helps to deep condition your scalp, it helps with brittle split ends, and untreated hair with adding extra nutrition for hair growth. It also helps to enrich for restoring moisture in your scale and hair for better shine. At this point, usually in the summertime, I'll leave my hair to air dry, but because it is winter and I do get sick easily, I'm choosing to diffuse my hair just for about 15 minutes, just so that it's not damp and wet, but just like a little bit dry. So this is the final product after diffusing for about 15 to 20 minutes. My hair is not fully dry yet, but as I walk around the house, I'm going to let it air dry. To make my hair bigger, a technique that I use is a pick. I pick at my roots and I also use my fingertips and massage my roots. This helps me to get more volume and bigger hair. And that's all, guys. This is all I do to make my hair curly. As you can see, it's super easy. Nothing really to it. I find like the simpler the routine, the better it is for your hair. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have any questions, remember you can always email me, leave any comments, any questions below. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And thank you all so much for your support and the love. Bye.